Is your low mortgage rate keeping you stuck? I talk to a lot of homeowners who are holding tight to that 3% mortgage, and I get it. On paper, it sounds smart. But here's the thing. Life doesn't happen on paper. It happens in your home. Hi, I'm Vickie Harris Home Team. If you're thinking about downsizing, retiring, or moving closer to grandkids, or a new lifestyle, ask yourself, is this the home that truly fits the next chapter in my life? That low rate might be keeping you from tapping into the equity you've built and moving on to a place that works better for your future. Whether it's a single level living, a smaller yard, or just a fresh start. Experts, not social media gurus, but real housing economists, are saying home values will likely keep rising through at least 2029. So waiting? It could cost you more down the line, not just in dollars, but in time and opportunity. Fear and what ifs shouldn't keep you from living the life you really want. You've worked hard. And if you're ready for a change, I can help you make a smart move with a clear plan and real numbers, not just guesswork. If you're even thinking about relocating or finding that forever home, let's talk. I'll show you how to use your equity wisely and help you take that next step with confidence. Thanks again, Vickie Harris, eXp Realty.